Hey Porsche 996 owners, 996 wheel spaces increase inner wheel clearance, which is essential for wider tires or larger brakes. They ensure proper backspacing to prevent rubbing. They also widen the track width, which expands tire contact for a smoother, more stable ride. The diode in handling makes driving a blast. 996 wheel spacers are the easiest and cheapest way to achieve an aggressive stance. Today, we are breaking down safe sizes and top brands. How to choose the right 996 wheel spacer sizes. More wheel clearance. Need clearance for a big brake kit. 3mm to 5mm spacers work by clearing the calipers without turning the OEM wheel style. Fender Gap. Use a straight edge to measure the distance from your rim or tire to the fender. Is your gap 12mm? 12mm spacers will give you a perfect first stance. Extra modifications. Wide-body kits with stock wheels. Use spacers that are over 30mm to avoid rubbing and elevate the 996 block look. Legal considerations. Most places are legal, but some US states may require tires with the body with it. Spacers between 7 and 50mm are a safe bet. Which Porsche 996 wheel spacers are the best? BONOSS stands out for its commitment to safety, precision, and strength. Its forged, lightweight 996 wheel spacers meet global standards. Here is why they are top tier. Extremely lightweight for better performance. Lighter unsprung weight means sharper handling. BONOSS hollow curved design cuts weight by 20% with no strain on the suspension. Aerospace materials for improved strength. BONOSS use Aerospace grade 6061T6 or 0075T6 aluminum that is corrosion resistant and tough. The high strength making it ideal for the track or stretch. Strong fasteners for enhanced stability. ISO grade 12.9 bolts with over 75 SGS and TV certifications for maximum safety. BONOSS lightweight design, certified strength, and perfect fit make them ideal for 996. Demand the best. Go BONOSS. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.